Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the Ryzen 7, AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, but instead of giving a unboxing review, I want to give you guys just a quick comparison in terms of performances. So I'm actually running a Geekbench test. Currently, I'm actually using the Ryzen 5-3600. That is our fan favorite. Everybody loves that CPU and everything. So right now, as you can see, it's boosting as per usual, roughly 4.1 to 4.2 gigahertz, and on all 12 threads. Okay. Once it's done, so I'll give you guys how it looks like, the performance score of it, and then later I'll install this, and then I'll let you guys see the new difference. So in terms of the performance difference, at least you guys know what to expect. Looks like it is done. So single core is 1224 and a multi-score of 6423. Take note, this is Geekbench 5, not the 01. Okay, so we're going to do a quick swap of the CPU and get back to you guys. Alright, so as you can see, actually you can't really see, it's being hidden by the cooler. Anyway, that's one of my main, this is going to be my main workstation rig. So as you can see, there's 8 cores now with a measly 1650 Super. Wanted to upgrade, but it's so expensive to upgrade anyway, so with all the shortage and everything. As you can see now, we have the full 8 cores, 16 threads. Okay, it is running full. And yeah, it is very hot. Like, I'm using a 240mm AIO and it's still that hot. 5800X with all 8 cores loaded and everything. Okay, my Geekbench is finishing up and it should be done. Let's see the score. So it is 1651 single core score and 9272 multi-core score. Okay, so comparison, the 3600, actually the previous one, the R5-3600, that actually mastered around 1004 single core and about 6000 plus in multi-score. So this is actually a very big improvement over the 01, which actually isn't the oldest. The oldest was actually, the first CPU I actually used this was actually the R5-3100. That was a quad core machine which was even slower. So it was okay for games, but if you wanted to edit videos and everything, especially 4K, even 6 cores will start to struggle. So this is where the 8 core power comes in. But you must understand that with a higher core count, with higher power, will always come with extra heat. So as you can see in the temperatures, right, they were in the high 70s to mid 80s, even when running a 240mm AIO liquid cooler, and that is with 4 fans, by the way. So yeah, but then again, you can see that because it is like it's in one corner of the room, so it's not surprising the high temperatures. But anyway, that was a quick experiment. I figured I'd show you guys how I changed it. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you.